Can you hear my heartbeat? I've got a feeling it's never too late. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Now, take the lid off the jar. Just relax. Lift your hand. Great, we're almost there. Now put it on the lid. No, the lid. 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 The lid.
I would like to show. Cut open my scalp. Look into my head. I don't know why I'm so harsh. I can't be so rash. I'm going to clash. 'Cause I feel I can always show my everything to you. If this moment was for me. Bitch, 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 fabulous!
Shut up and sleep with me. Come on, why don't you sleep with me? Shut up.
You know what to do with that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
I'm going to come again.
I am disgusted by this content.
I'm cute. Yes, it's true. I really can't help it.
Look at that neck! What'd that neck do?
Work the fuck out. Have you heard of exercise? It's good for you.
Don't listen.
Whatever your mom says about you, it's all true. Listen to your mother.
Finally. じゃあね、キリト。君と会えて、一緒にいられて、本当によかった。ありがとう。さよなら。
Yuri. I should see what happens if I shatter his into pieces.
You look like shit. You look like a piece of trash. You look like a trash can. Are you a trash can? You look like trash. You smell like shit. You smell like someone vomited. You disgust me. You make me want to kill myself.
Victor, why would you say something like that?
It shattered. Look, Yuri, I wasn't being serious. I'm sorry.
Fuck you! You know what? Fuck you!
But tonight I'm fucking you.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Victor, see that? I did great, right?
Where were you when it happened? Where were you when this happened?
Within the sound of silence, in restless dreams I walked alone.